Hello again, just doing a little follow-up video to the cluster remove and refurb video that we done. Sometimes when I send a cluster off, people say, oh, it still doesn't work, it's still not repaired right, blah blah blah. We get them back, we test it all out, we test everything on the bench, connect the ECUs up, and everything is fine. We say it's something wrong with the car. So this time we got the car in to see what actually goes wrong. So as you can see on this cluster, we have no mileage display. You can see the immobiliser light is flashing rapidly, and I believe it gives code 16. I'll just wait a little while and show you what the flash code is, because a lot of people don't understand flash codes. If you see the immobiliser light flashing rapidly in the centre of the screen, when you turn the ignition on, if there's an immobiliser fault, in this case there's no communication with the engine ECU, hence we don't have the mileage display. After a minute it stops flashing and then it does this. That's a flash code. As you can see, after the rapid flashing, it gives a different code. It's a 2-digit code. This one is 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's code 16. Watch it again. Ready? Code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 2-digit code and it's repeated over and over. Ready? 1 is the first group of digits, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Code 16. Watch again. Code 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now the problem which we found with this car, if you follow me around here, after checking all the connections in the fuse box, now I've left this disconnected to make it easier, but you have an earth wire. Now the earth wires are here and they bolt on to the inner wing just there. Now I've cleaned these up and I'm going to put them back on. I might need two hands, so I might just have to put the phone down for a second. The other things that you may notice when you don't have any comms with the engine ECU is you connect your diagnostic tool up and you have no communication with the engine ECU. You don't hear the fuel pump buzz, and it doesn't crank. Sometimes it might crank a little bit, sometimes it might stop. Right, that's the earth wire put back on. That is the engine ECU earth. So now when we turn the ignition on, first thing you'll hear is the fuel pump prime up. And you see the immobiliser light goes out. We have mileage display. And although the battery's a bit flat, it starts and runs. Right, so if you get your cluster repaired and you still have these problems, you get code 16, no mileage display, look for that engine earth. Thanks very much.